All right, 7th hour. So thank you for watching those notes. Hopefully got all the notes now for section 1 of our new unit, Shaping Public Opinion. Today, we are going to spend the rest of the hour working on a propaganda techniques partner assignment. I'm just going to walk you through that really quick and what's expected and how we're going to do that. So on Schoology, there's this link right here, propaganda techniques partner assignment. When you open that up, you see the instructions. So basically, with a partner, if you want a partner, that's great. But if you are going to have a partner, if you're not, you can work by yourself. But if you want a partner, only groups of 2. You are going to open up this propaganda techniques template. All right, so I'm going to go to that first, and we'll come back and kind of talk through this. So here is that template. I've shared that with you. It's down here as well, right there. Basically, what you're going to do, first things first, you need to make a copy of this. So this is shared with you. You access this template. You're going to, one of the partners, all right, so if I'm working with Aaron, I would go to File, make a copy, entire presentation. Once I do that, I'm just going to go hit make a copy. So now this is a copy of that template. Then you are going to share that with your partner. So I go up here, I would hit share. This is now yours, or in this case, it's mine. I'm going to hit share, and then I would go find Aaron. I can't spell Aaron. What's wrong with me? There we go. Aaron, nice picture, by the way. Select him and then hit send. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this because I'm not really going to do that. Okay, once you share with your partner, then looking at the instructions, we are going to rename your slide. So you're going to go up here and you can just basically add both partners' names to that. That's more than good. If you want to change the name completely, that's good too. But just make sure in the title, both partners' names are on there. You should also put your names right there. And then you are going to start adding to your Google Slides. All right. So what you're going to do after you've made a copy, you shared it, you are going to create for each technique endorsement, bandwagon, name calling, glittering, generalities, plain folk appeal, and card stacking. You're going to create or go find 2 examples of commercials that fit into that. So right here, I gave an example, endorsements technique example. I found 2, Shaq Epson EcoTank commercial and a Drake Sprite commercial. So you're going to go find those, put the title right here, then hyperlink it. All right, just copy the YouTube link, then hyperlink it in there. Find 2 pictures that kind of just represent or display those those commercials. Then down here, the big part, you're going to go through and explain why you chose that commercial for this technique. So the first commercial, I said, I think that the Shaq commercial is an example of endorsement technique because it uses Shaq, a former basketball player, to sell a printer copy machine. By using Shaq, people will be more inclined to buy a product simply because they might like Shaq. So you're going to have 2 to 3 sentence descriptions of why you chose that commercial for this technique. All right. So you're going to go through and find 2 for the endorsement technique, 2 for the bandwagon technique, 2 for the name calling, 2 for the glittering generalities, 2 for plain folk, and 2 for card stacking. You're going to again give it a title, put the hyperlinks right here, picture up here, and then right here is where your descriptions go. These 2 right here are out. They're examples, so you cannot use these for your endorsement examples. All right. Okay, so for the rest of the hour with your partner, you're going to go through, find commercials that fit each technique, and tell me why you chose those commercials and why it fits that technique. We'll work on this for the rest of the hour today. I know tomorrow we have turkey bingo in class, so I'm going to set the due date as tomorrow, but tomorrow we'll just talk quickly about expectations. If you're not done after class today, this is not going to be homework, so we'll finish it once we get back from break. But I do want you to use this time in class to get as much done as possible, if not completely done. Second hour, I think about half the class got their projects done already. So use this time wisely. Email me with any questions. I'm going to be on my phone as I'm driving here, but I can definitely respond to emails if you do have any questions. So I'll pull over and respond. Let me clarify. All right. Have fun, guys.